Hello, you are welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to explain to you and list the process of getting a wife in Igbo land. The process of a man, average Igbo man, getting a wife in Igbo land. So, thank you for coming back. For those people who are new in this channel, thank you so much. I so much appreciate you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. So let us dive into the video. So in recent time, I noticed that there is a lot of divorces in Igbo land or in Nigeria at large. So there is a process. If you want to find a wife in Igbo land as a man, there is a process for it. You don't just go and bring a woman because you feel like you love that person, that love is enough. No, love is not enough. In this my video, I'm going to explain the process of every part of it, finding a wife. So please, you have to bear with me. In this video, we are going to explain some certain things in Igbo and some certain things in English. So the stage one is for you to make your intentions known to your family members. Tell them that you want to get married, especially your mother or your father. Let them know that it is time for you to get married. They will ask you some certain questions. They will check, first of all, they will check if your age, you are up to the age to get married. Second, they will ask you of your financial status, if you can be able to take care of a wife. Thirdly, they will make sure that you are mentally okay, mentally suitable to be able to be with a woman before they will now accept that it is time for you to get married. So the second stage is about the lady in question. They will now ask you, do you have someone in mind, or are we going to be the one to make an inquiry for you? So when you finally meet the girl in question, you will now do official introduction to the family, to your immediate family, your mother, father, and siblings. One day you will just call them, they will stay together and they will call the lady. They will now see the girl in question. They will ask the girl some basic questions like, where are you from? Who is your father? You understand, some certain questions. Just know it that young men who want to marry in Igbo land may or may not have a say in his choice of partner to be. The same also applies to the girl in question. In Igbo culture, it is not a matter of individuals to decide. You get married to, or you marry into a family choosing for you. You understand? That's why some people make a lot of mistakes in marriage. You just met someone today. You want to marry that person because you felt that you love that person. Love is not enough in Igbo culture. Love is not enough. They know why they have been doing it like that. Our forefathers, they know why they have been doing it like that. They have stages and process of finding a wife in Igbo land. Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. People have been making mistakes and they end up in divorcing. Now, the third stage. Maybe your family have seen the girl. The question she answered is very okay. They love her. They like the way that she behaves. The way that she behaves that day is very okay for them. They felt that the girl, she's good. Now you will go on knocking on the door. But if the girl is not good, from that place, the girl will not come back again. They will tell you that they don't want the girl. And that is fine. The third stage now is for you go knocking on the door. Ekwakanozo in Igbo language. Ekwakanozo. On this stage now, the groom normally gives his bride-to-be a hands up about his visit, just so she can gently inform her family members to make sure that the house is ready to receive visitors. In Igbo land, the groom does not make the journey alone to his future in-laws. He must be accompanied by his elder male relatives like his father, uncles, or brothers, even his king's men, who will act as his representative. Within the Igbo community, your representative says a lot about you and your characters. So it is always worth investing in people that really knows you and can sell your value to your future in-laws. So now, when the groom-to-be arrives at the bride-to-be's compound. It is customary to bring gifts of kola nuts and palm wine, as it is a sign of culture and respect. The proposal is done by intermediaries, meaning the groom does not ask direct questions for the bride's hand in marriage. It is asked by his representatives. They will now make their intentions known to the bride's family. On hearing those intentions, the bride's-to-be family must respond to the proposal. But before they respond, they might ask the representative some questions about the groom-to-be, such as his career, where he is from, what type of family does he come from. There is no limit to the type of question they can ask about the groom, and the representatives must be ready for anything. So, once the bride's family has given their response, the bride-to-be is then invited into the room for the first time, and she is asked if she is happy to accept his proposal. If she says yes, it is now called an engagement. So, this is engagement of Igbo people, the traditional way of engaging your woman. There is no ring for it. So this will now bring us to the next stage. This stage is called the investigation stage. This is also referred to as the inquiry phase. During this phase, both families start their investigation on their in-laws. One or multiple members of each family will take time off and travel down to their future in-laws to source further information that might have not been done during the knocking door phase, which is Ekwakanozo, the time of Ekwakanozo. So, some information about the groom and his family will be gathered from their neighbors, people in the village, and people who know them. So, family members are mainly looking for answers for the following, like Osu, which is outcast, family histories, social standard of the family worship, family wealth, history of infertility, titles, medical histories, strange deaths, their family characters, like if they are the kind of people that fight in the market, and so there's many questions to be asked. So in general, if they are good people, you understand, this process can last for months, especially if it is hard to locate the groom's compound or the bride's compound. This phase is so important to a lot of family. It is very important, and it is the custom, the tradition of Igbo land. It is the main thing to do whenever you want to look for a wife. Don't skip this stage. We have another stage, and that stage is when the bride will be invited to go and spend some quality time with her future in-laws. Here is her first and real opportunity to bond with her future in-laws, especially the mother-in-law and the female siblings. So after all, she's going to be a daughter to the mother-in-law. So she will stay like 2 weeks, 1 or 2 weeks. It's not necessary that the groom will be around. So in this stage, they will be giving her some tasks like cleaning, washing clothes, doing some domestic chores, and so on. In this stage, some people think that it is slave-like, but it has a much deeper purpose. For what the in-laws are doing is to check her ability to complete many household tasks, especially her temperament and ability to follow others. She will learn a lot in this stage. She will learn how to cook their local dishes. She will learn what the family like doing and what they don't like doing. So, at the end of this stage, if she is successful at the end of this phase, she is typically presented with many gifts from the groom's family to return home with. This is a sign or symbol to her family that her in-laws are happy with what they have seen. Those gifts are to be given to the mother as a symbol of appreciation for raising such a wonderful woman. So, the last stage. Once the bride has returned back from the successful Nenana, which is the last stage that we explained, So if the both families are happy with what they have seen, their inquiries and orders, they will now generate a list by the bride family, and they will now fix dates for the nkunwai, which is traditional wedding. If you are one for Igbo listening to what I'm saying or watching this video, please make sure that you apply that investigation stage. It is very, very important. Our forefathers, they know why they applied it, and that's why their marriage lasts. So in my next video, I will talk about many things that are being neglected by the Igbo people, Igbo culture, that we don't apply, that matters a lot in our life. So thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Subscribe. It is very, very important for me. Please. God bless you. Bye. Bye-bye. See you in my next video. Bye.